Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to DIY Motorsport. I am Mike, and today we are going to get the motor put in the mini Banshee. So the goal is we get the motor put in, try to get the exhaust built for it, and just get everything wired up and working. And then tomorrow we will take it out and go riding. So I'll go ahead and show you what I got right now. I'll show you that part that I built and show you the plans for the exhaust. And then we'll just jump right into it. So, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the part that I built in order to use this chain. And that'll just go and replace that little one there so that we can house the bigger chain. This is some stuff I got for the exhaust, just some stainless remnants. So this we're just going to put basically down here between the two, and then we will cut up this piece and kind of weld it all in and hook it up to the motor. Like I said, it should work just fine, but it's simply for cosmetic reasons. And hopefully we'll get this in and we'll get that kill switch wired up and be done with it. And then the plan is that we're going to go out in the hills and do some riding tomorrow. So let's just jump right in and get this motor put in. Okay guys, so we got the motor in, got the chain in. I had to loosen it a little bit. It was way too tight. If I left an extra link in, it was way too loose. So I just took the extra link out and we went ahead and loosened it up. And then if it stretches, we got plenty of room to tighten it. If you noticed earlier, I had to cut out some of this back plate, and that was just to clearance this bolt right here. And that bolt is what mounts the motor mount. It's for the original engine mount as well. And then the chain sits a little bit different, so I went ahead and just made this bracket that holds the chain slider in place. Hopefully this works out and doesn't wear too much. This torque converter is for a much narrower chain. This chain's quite a bit bigger, so our tolerance between the plate and the drive pulley it's pretty close, but I think it's going to work out. Everything seems to line up, wheels spin, so we'll go ahead and see what we need to do to get an exhaust put on this thing, and then wire up the kill switch and see if it'll fire up. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we got our exhaust flange and then this piece of pipe, which is going to connect the two pieces of pipe, and then I just went ahead and hole sawed a 1-inch hole in it, as the pipe that we have is 1 inch, and we'll fit everything in and start cutting down our U-shaped piece and piece something together. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we got the basic shape made, and getting in there and welding that was pretty stupid. So we've got some of the ugliest tack welds I've ever seen. So let's see if we can't weld it up and make it look a little better. Okay guys, so we got the exhaust welded up. Not the prettiest welds ever, but they'll do the trick. Haven't really figured out how to do stainless all that well with this welder. I think it's just it's a pretty inexpensive welder, but surprisingly it does aluminum really well. But either way, they're definitely strong and will hold. So let's go ahead and throw it on the bike, and then I've got to just kind of measure it up and then weld a couple of small tabs here and here just for the springs to hold the other pipes on. So I'm going to go ahead and fit it in, mark out for those, and weld them on real quick, and then we'll throw it on the bike. Alright guys, we're back. Seem to have the tire fixed. The mini Banshee is running, and we're going to go ahead and try everything out. So you ready to go for a ride?
Sure.
This is Danikas' friend Connor. He's going to be coming with us along with his dad Ian. So let's go check out your four-wheeler. Okay, come on. Put your helmet on. All right, come on. You excited? Okay. Okay, jump on. All right. So you see that? That's how you go now. Push it with your thumb. More. You remember the brakes, right? Danica! All right, guys, we'll see you in just a minute. Hey! You made it all the way here! Alright. You want to go turn around right here? And then we're going to go down that dirt road, okay? Alright, go ahead.
You're going to ride on the back.
Alright guys, so we smoked a belt. And I know that I watched on how to put this together, and I put it together the first time, but last night when we put it all back together I didn't pay attention, and I pulled it back and pulled it off and looked at it, and I had installed it wrong. So we are going to go grab a new belt, and we are going to try again. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're back. We got a new belt on the mini Banshee, so we're going to go ahead and give it another try. Everything's good to go, and we'll see you in the hills. So see you in a minute. Okay, go ahead. See? That's what you got to remember. If you crash like that, did it hurt? Huh? So what does it matter? It's okay. Hey, totally okay, dude. High five, you did good. We had a little bit of success, a little bit of failure, but it's no big deal. We did smoke 2 belts, which I'm not really sure why, other than the fact that there may be just inexpensive manufactured belts that come with it. But I have some more belts coming, and then I'm going to look into Kevlar belts. But overall, the performance was pretty good, and my daughter, as nervous as she got at some points, and she got a little scared and stuck a couple times, but overall I think she did awesome. And it's going to take a little bit of time for her to get used to it, but when she does, she's going to do great at it. So everything worked good. We were able to bring it back nice and dusty and covered in dirt, which means we had a good time. And we will go ahead and replace that belt with a better one. And next time we will do even better. But we're going to go ahead and end this video now. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit like, and we'll see you next time.